1. Check permissions for the phone/dialer app. The first thing you need to do is to check Android permissions. In general, the pre-installed phone/dialer app should have permission to access contacts, but, just for the sake of troubleshooting, we'll need you to check this. Of course, if you are using a third-party dialer app, e.g. Google Phone instead of Samsung Dialer, you'll need to permit it to see the names of contacts with incoming calls. All apps that rely on conversations with contacts should display contact names as long as they have contact permission. Here's how to check permissions for phone and allow it to access contacts. Open Settings. Select Apps and Notifications, Apps. Select All Apps, App Manager or Manage Apps on some Android skins. Open Phone or Dialer, the app you use to make and receive calls. Tap Permissions. Make sure that the app has permission to access contacts. 2. Set the default phone app. The next thing to do, after the aforementioned permissions, is to change the default phone, dialer, app. This can be done in System Settings, under Apps. This shouldn't be that important if you are using an app that's already the default option. However, if you are using a third-party app to make standard calls, set it as the default. Here's how to choose the default app for phone calls on your Android device. Again, navigate to Settings, Apps and Notifications. Now, you should see the default apps entry in the Advanced section. Open it. Once there, set your preferred phone/dialer app as the default one. Contact names are not showing in calls. On most other Android skins, you should open all apps. Tap on the three-dot menu and select Default Apps. Set your preferred phone/dialer app as the default one. Restart your device and test with an incoming call to see whether the problem is still there or not.